Yes, Massive Recruit back once again with another video. And just to let you know, I just built the shelf in my office to hold some of the stock that I've been hoarding for years now. And this is stuff that I need to kind of push to get shot of. I want to put these on the website. I'm going to discount some of them. I've got the original BRC 30 here, which is 16 track ting. Yeah, that's got black vinyl on one side and it's got the 16 track thing original on there. I've also got, don't forget, presses of Dope 2K002. I've got Dope 33, which is that dark side track here. I've got a few copies limited of this Breakbeat Science EP track I did with Second Protocol. And I've got some other bits and pieces. Hardcore Mayhem 1991. It's limited now. Just this lot here to go. There's a couple of rough and tumbles there. A few Raw 04s, little small box there. And these are all original presses that I've hoarded from way back when. I'm going to take some time and go through it. Obviously we've got the brain slip mats up here. And I'll do another sort of in-depth video of what I've actually got here. Let me see if we'll find that BMW track. That's white labels there. Also as well, I've got the Fat Beats 12. Look, yeah, that's that one. That was pressed in about 1999, I think. There's a few bits and pieces here, but just to let you know, go to www.samploids.co.uk and you'll see what pressings I've got there. They're all original pressings, apart from the Dope 2K002, which is the repress from the original masters. Dogs giving hell over there. That's why there's no open noise in the background. Right guys, so we're printing a special limited edition Brain t-shirt for TDK. This is on a black t-shirt. It's going to be a 49 centimeter high print, because you know T's big already. Right, so check this out, yeah. Printing it now, and the new DTG is going to put down the white. Do you know what, the white would probably look better, I would have thought, on the t-shirt.
But I feel like this is pretty cool.
But it's a popping design, isn't it? So we'll see, look, it's ripping now. It's going to start printing, and yeah.